what are you thinking?
Oh, I'm thinking what to make for today's Saturday program.
How many people are coming?
Around 45 to 50.
Oh, that's a lot. Do you want any ideas?
Yes, please, that would be nice.
Let's ask Nandu, what do you think?
Yeah.
What is that? Nandu says, let's make Malai Kofta.
Oh, what a great idea! Woohoo! So, let's get started! Hare Krishna, welcome. My name is Radhika and this is my little sister, Krishna Priya! And this is Nandu! Where were you?
Me and Nandu were resting because last time evening program we were very tired because we made it for 40 people.
Yes.
And I'm very tired. So we were just having a little nap and a rest.
Yep, good idea. Today we will be making Malai Kofta! We will need the following: 15 boiled potatoes, since we are making this for 40 people, 2 kg paneer, self-raising flour to bind, 5 kgs of tomatoes, coriander. We will be needing salt, jeera, coriander seeds, dalchini powder, kasuri methi, sugar, turmeric powder, Kashmiri mirch and anise seeds, and ginger paste. So now what we are going to do is we are going to combine paneer and our boiled potatoes and bind it with our flour. See you back in a few minutes. Bye.
Bye.
Look, now we have made our dough. We have used our paneer, our potatoes, and our self-raising flour. And we have added kasuri methi into this, salt and a little bit of sugar and a little bit of soft. And we've also added some oil and we've added coconut. The reason we put coconut is so that it can carry the flavor into the kofta. And that is pretty much it. Now we are going to show you the size of balls we are making. You can use any shape you like. You can do it like this.
Wow.
Or you can do it like this. Or if you like, you can make bigger balls. But you need to remember, the bigger balls you make, it's going to expand in its size inside the gravy. So keep a watch on that. We are going to make probably about this size of our balls.
And you can also make them small. Sorry, I didn't have enough, but you can make small like that.
If you like, yes.
Yeah, exactly.
So give us a few minutes. We will be back soon. Now we are making the balls. We have 40 people coming over, so we are aiming to try to make 80 balls so that we have 2 for each.
That's a wonderful idea, right?
Yep. We have our oil heating at the back, so don't forget to preheat that. And we'll see you in a few seconds for the frying bit. Masters are here, Nandu and Krishna Priya. They are going to grind our roasted spices in our coffee grinder. So Krishna Priya, you just press it from the top.
Like this?
Yep. A bit more, please.
Did I take it off?
Yes.
Wow, look at how it's mixed together and how it's crushed. Do I do it again?
One more time.
Okay.
Yeah.
nicely. Yeah, I want to eat it now. But it hasn't finished yet.
Now we're up to the frying bit. See how we're putting these in? Remember, while we're frying, it needs to be on a medium flame. And don't forget, we need adult supervision for this bit. We only put a couple at a time. And they go like this. For safety, you can do this. Or if you are experienced, you can do the slide trick. Now we wait until it's this golden brown color. And we take this out. I'm going to take all the golden brown ones out now. Like this. They look like gulab jamun. Look at the koftas, they're frying. And look at the ones we have finished. Now we better start the gravy because people are about to come any minute. So over here we have some ghee clarified butter heating. It's heated up to a good temperature. Now we are taking this, a big spoon.
Wow.
We'll add our ginger paste to this. There we go. And remember to have adult supervision because this is going to make a lot of because it has water. Like that, yeah. Look at that. Now we're going to be adding besan, chickpea flour.
Good that
I'm gonna slowly sprinkle this in.
Good Nandu was resting because when I was taking the gold one before us, I was very tired. But lucky, Nandu was resting, right?
Now I will mix it in more. Okay, now we are going to wait for this to become into a little bit of a brownie texture. So this is how it looks right now. A pale yellow.
But later on, it's going to be so different.
Now we're gonna have a look at our koftas at the back. Oh, look at these. While we're doing this, Krishna Priya would like to tell us a secret.
Can I tell you a secret? I made all the balls all on my own and I made 100. I'll eat 80 and the rest 40 for everyone else. Nandu and me are going to have a great night. Woohoo!
Yeah, she means 20. Because how can you get 40 and 80 does not equal into 100? Right, Krishna Priya?
I'm sorry, I'm not a big fan of maths.
Okay, now we have added 100 grams of besan in this. We're going to add 100 grams of desiccated coconut. We'll have to mix this quick because coconut starts to burn quickly. And get your tomato puree ready.
Wow. Yum, delicious. Fabulous. I'm going to eat it all. This time I'm going to eat all of it.
Now we're going to add in our spices. Meanwhile, we have pureed 5 kgs of tomato. And we are adding Krishna Priya's specialty masala, the one that we grinded earlier. Add it all in. sounds like a bell is ringing. Anyway. See, this has become a little bit darker. We're adding the rest of our kasuri methi. Turmeric. We are gonna add a little bit now and a little bit later. We will be adding our dalchini powder, all of it, and we will add a little bit of our salt and keep some for later. And we're gonna add our sugar at the end. I'll just mix this in and then we will start putting in our tomato puree.
Look how our pakoras are boiling.
They're frying, silly.
Sorry.
Not boiling. Oh, look at these. These have become brown.
They're boiling so hot.
They're frying.
Sorry.
Okay, look at this. Become orange.
So now I know what Nandu was trying to tell me.
And now we are going to add our tomato puree. Yum, this looks so great already.
I'm seriously feeling hungry now.
Okay, I'm gonna be brave enough to do this. Yes.
We did it! Woohoo!
Yes. Wow, I did it, and it smells like Malai Kofta already.
You did that. You did the thing that I couldn't even do. Then 1000 years I haven't done it.
You were only born 8 years ago. And tomorrow is Krishnapriya's birthday. I totally forgot.
Yeah, it's my birthday tomorrow.
And you're turning 8, aren't you?
Yeah, and the best thing is it's Ekadashi.
Yes, tomorrow is Ekadashi.
And I got Ekadashi on my birthday. And I had a fabulous, most best birthday party yesterday as well. People are like, it wasn't my birthday party, but we were celebration yet. But
Okay, have a look at our gravy. It looks like the color of Malai Kofta.
we've reached our last batch. Did you have fun? I had lots of fun because of Nandu. Yeah!
Yes. Look, we have reached our last batch of koftas. This is fun and it went in no time. Fun just goes so quickly. Over here, we have added our sugar and salt to our gravy and we have let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes.
Wow.
Now we need to add 3 liters of milk. 3 liters of milk added to this is enough for 80 koftas. And we can have the rest of the koftas. Right, Krishnapriya?
I'm gonna eat all of them.
Okay, I'll go get them. This is our milk. Now remember not to add our milk like this. Otherwise it'll all splatter on you. We add our milk this way and towards the walls of your cook pot. We added all of it. Now we mix it in.
Can I put that in the bin?
I'm going to be doing some multitasking here. So take these out at the same time.
Look how they're boiling so nicely.
They're frying, silly.
Sorry.
Learn your language conditions.
Wow. Look how they're boiled. I mean fried.
Great.
Oh yeah.
Now look at our gravy. It looks so yellowy. Look at this. And it smells just like Malai Kofta.
Yeah. Yahoo! We are there.
We have let our gravy simmer for about 20 minutes and see how thick it is.
Oh wow.
And we ended up adding a little bit of coconut because it became a bit too runny. Now has come the moment of putting in the koftas. Now we don't need to be scared of the koftas breaking because we added extra flour, remember? Yes, I hope you do. So let's add it in. Looking good. Hare Krishna. Look, our bhoga is ready. What is that? Mama, quiet! Oh my god, this has to be a blooper.
Radhika, what are you thinking?
Oh, I'm thinking what to make for today's Saturday program.
Do you want any ideas?
No. किशोर क्या पूछी जा रहे हो? मैंने बोला कितने लोग आ रहे हैं?
Hare Krishna, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon. If you would love to help contribute to our next project, you can donate by clicking this button. So keep on watching more videos to have super blissful life. Stay tuned.